Hi there. Today we're going to introduce a new rule. This is not one of our big four rules. We've already learned our big four rules with sides and angles. But we're going to learn another smaller rule, and this is the rule of vertical angles. What our rule tells us is that when we have two lines that cross, the opposite angles are congruent. So for instance, these two angles right here are opposite. They don't touch each other, and so what we find is that these two angles are congruent. Also, this top angle and this bottom angle right here are also opposite, and they're also congruent. So I would write this out with my arcs. So both of these two angles have one arc because they're congruent, as we have just learned from our vertical angles rule. And then these two angles are also congruent because we've got two arcs and two arcs here. So if I were to write this out, I would say by vertical angles, so by vertical angles, this angle, which is angle AEB, is congruent to angle DEC. Remember, we always want our middle letter to represent where the angle is. And since both of these two angles here are at E, E is my middle letter. So I've got angle AEB is congruent to angle DEC. The second pair of angles I have is this top angle, and this is angle AEC, and the bottom angle is angle DEB.